Hello everybody, my name is Fabian Gafner. I'm the head of engineering at Sauber Technologies. I started working in Sauber Motorsport in 2014, focusing on lightweight structure such as composites. 4 years ago, our team from Sauber Technology was formed to create a knowledge center for advanced technologies such as additive manufacturing. Having the latest and most advanced equipment available, we serve as a cutting-edge technology partner to our motorsport team as well as to external companies. Our customers do not only benefit from 3D printed parts in metals or advanced plastics, but also from our wide competence in engineering, R&D, as well as consulting. You can see us as an access door for external companies to our wide know-how pool and to our extended experience in on-the-edge technologies and manufacturing. Since all our projects are multidisciplinary, our team needs to have all the STEM skills. To be innovative and to get the technology further requires the ability to effectively combine all those skills and combine them with experience and expertise. The new regulations for the 2022 season have an increased demand on the whole structure and therefore also on the additive manufactured internals. This additive manufactured titanium part picks up the load from the suspension direct stem directly into the carbon monocoque. By using the possibilities of additive manufacturing and topology optimization, we were able to keep the weight down and maximize the stiffness. State-of-the-art calculation software tools and topology optimization algorithms help us to run through several design iterations in a short time. The 3D CAD system is our toolkit to design and finalize the part, as well as to test it in its virtual environment. 3D CAD modeling is one of the cornerstones of our R&D efforts, and it allows us to create virtual copies of our ideas and test them in real time in various situations. ConceptD 7 easel allows us to work on all stages of the modeling process using the latest technology to produce high-definition images while drastically reducing the rendering time. What's more, the highly versatile easel hinge makes it suitable to work on with pinpoint precision in virtually any situation, whether it's in the lab or in the field. Additive manufacturing has made a huge jump in development over the past decade. You can be certain that this development will be ongoing as fast or even faster. We from Sauber Technologies will make sure to stay up to speed and ahead of our competitors and will continuously explore all possible application fields. My personal advice for every engineer is to enter the great world of Formula Student as a preparation for high technology industries. This competition is a great platform to learn and exchange as well as to get in touch with the industry. Converting the theory into a practical application while being under pressure and in a highly competitive environment is a great experience for everybody. Thanks for watching this episode of STEM Lab Decoded. Join us for the next video to discover how Acer and Alfa Romeo F1 Team Orland support innovators in STEM.